Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily fix uh, a file which is sent to you on WhatsApp and you can see it on your Google photos of your iPhone. So in order to fix that, what you have to do is go on to your WhatsApp and find the image that you want to be saved to your photos. So once you found it, so you can just tap and hold on that and click on forward. Now just select this one. So if you want to have multiple images, you can just select that as well. Once that's done, you can see there's an option of share on the bottom right corner. So I'll just click on it, and now you can just see the option save two images. So you have to just click on save two images, and yeah. So if you go back to your Google Photos, you can see all of those two files are here, as you can see here. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.